Ito ho, mga panibagong mga idinagdag ng National Bureau of Investigation na NBI bilang respondent sa plunder case laban kay dating Senador Bong Revilla. Nagsumiti ho ng counter affidavits ngayong araw. Alamin natin ang iba pang mga balita tinutukan ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Bombo Victor, isinagawa ngayong araw ang mga panibagong preliminary investigation ng Department of Justice sa reklamong plunder laban kay former Senator Bong Revilla Jr. at iba pa. Personal na dumalo sa naganap na pagdinig ang apat na bagong maidinagdag ng National Bureau of Investigation bilang respondent sa kaso. Kanilang isinimite ang mga counter affidavits sa kinakarap na reklamo may kinalaman sa malamalyang flood control projects. Kung kaya't ayon kay Justice Spokesperson Attorney Paulo Martinez, binigyan ng prosekusyon si dating Senador Revilla ng hanggang ika-30 ng Marso para maghain ng karagdagang salaysay. Kapwa niya respondent sa plunder case sa mga state witnesses na sina Henry Alcantara, Gerald Opolencia at Roberto Bernardo. Habang mananagdag naman sina former Department of Public Works and Highways, National Capital Region Engineers Denzel Cesar, Fortuna, Manny Bulusan, Roel Umali at Arturo Gonzalez Jr. Ating pakinggan si Attorney Paulo Martinez, ang spokesperson ng Department of Justice.
So last batch naman po are the plunder cases among other charges. These refer to Senator Revilla, former Senator Estrada, and former Representative Zaldico. Okay, so yung case po ni Senator Revilla, yung PI po earlier, again, he was given until March 30 to file his counter affidavit and to controvert the allegations in the counter affidavits by the new respondents. The case of Zaldico and the case of former Senator Estrada have both been submitted for resolution.
Alinsunod ang pagkakadagdag ng panibagong mga respondent sa reklamo ng ibasura ng prosekusyon ang oposisyon ng kampo ni Revilla. Tintulan kasi ng dating mababata sa motion inihain ng National Bureau of Investigation o NBI para magpasok ng mga pangalan na siyang pinagbigyan naman ng panel of prosecutors. Paliwanag ni Justice Spokesperson Martinez na ito'y upang makita ang lahat ng mga ebidensyang maaaring makalap para sa pag-iimbestiga. Muli ating paggana ang tagapagsalita ng Department of Justice.
Well, of course, we want an orderly administration of justice. We want to ferret out the truth. So the findings by the prosecutors was, okay, itong affidavits na to are worth looking into. Tinanggap sila. And so in order to really see if all these pieces of evidence merit the finding of prima facie evidence with reasonable certainty of conviction, then file siya in court. Siyempre, kailangan po gathered lahat ng evidence And so upon the assessment by the prosecutors, pinasok nila yan. May laman siya.
Sir, basically, sir, denied yung motion ng Revilla Camp na pigilan yung pagpasok ng...
Denied po ang opposition ng Revilla Camp. The motion was from the NBI.
Ayon naman kay Attorney Carlos Villaruz, legal counsel ni former Senator Bong Revilla Jr., na pag-aaralan pa nila mga counter affidavits na inahin bago gumawa ng aksyon sa susunod na pagdiniga. Atin naman pakinggan ang kampo ni former Senator Bong Revilla Jr. na si Attorney Carlos Villaruz.
Kasi ngayon lang sinamit, of course, it's important for us to know kung ano yung sinabi nila at kung ano ang mga allegations naman nila or defenses nila so that we can respond accordingly. Hindi. Baka kasi if there's no factual naman na dispute between sa sinasabi ni former senator and ng mga respondents, yun na lang ang i-report namin sa panel.
Nagulat live para sa Bombo Network News. Ito si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the number one and most trusted source of news and information. Mas Radio Bombo.
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected. Anytime, anywhere.